What's up, everybody? So make sure you share the link. Share the link to the live stream so that others can join. So we have World Cup match today, and I don't know if everybody here have been following up the World Cup. Oh God, the stream data is not coming through. The stream data is not coming through. Okay, please, before we get started, make sure you share the link to this live stream to the community. Share it to everybody at Chain Industry. Share it to your friends. You can also put it on your WhatsApp status so that we can have more people joining the live stream, because I'll give it till 5 minutes into the hour. That's by 12:05 my own time we should be started. So please make sure you share the link. Make sure you share the link. So today we'll be discussing a very interesting topic: things you need to learn in order to become a successful cryptocurrency trader. I know some of you have been interested in trading cryptocurrencies, but so far, maybe you don't have the capital to trade, or secondly, you don't have the interest to trade because of how the market is, especially this bearish market. And there are a lot of factors. There are different other factors affecting the reason why you are not trading. Or maybe you are so glued to Binance, you can't change Binance, you can't change KuCoin. For those of you that are KuCoin and Binance fans. So whatever reason is behind why you are not trading on MEXC, today I want to give you some very good reasons why you should trade on MEXC. First, to join us at MEXC, I have my affiliate link pinned on this chart. So please make sure you do sign up using the affiliate link. Sign up using the affiliate link, because well, if you sign up with my affiliate link, you are going to have bonus. Honestly, there will be bonus for you. And currently, if you check the description of this live stream, you would see what I attached there. There is a description which I attached, so you need to check it out, where you have to, there is a campaign that is giving out 1,000 US dollars, a Gleam campaign that's giving out 1,000 US dollars. So the link to that Gleam campaign is on this description, so make sure you don't miss out. The link to the Gleam campaign is on the description. So you just have to follow MEXC and ETF MEXC on Twitter. Like, retweet, and share that post, because there is a post there. Like, retweet, and share the post. Tag 3 friends. Complete the Gleam tasks to unlock more rewards. So if you are still wondering what ETFs is, because today I don't want to just talk about ETF, I want to talk about the general topic. If you are still wondering what ETF is, there is also a playlist to help you understand leveraged ETFs on MEXC. So I think this will be very important for the whole community that have still been learning about ETFs now. And when you get to understand this, you'll be able to trade ETF, which is much better than spots and also much better than futures. So a lot of things have been happening in the crypto market, a lot of crazy things, a lot of good. And today the market seems pretty good. I opened a long position on BTC and I seem to be on profit. I opened a long position when it was on $17,100. So the market is beginning to regain stability once again, as BTC is around 17,400, and from here we don't know what could happen. It could go even high, and the price of cryptocurrency on different exchanges are bottomed. That's bottomed, and a lot of exchanges are, the trading volume are also beginning to increase. So if you buy now, this is actually a very good period for people to buy cryptocurrency, because BTC halving is coming close, and with the advent of BTC halving, let me get the link for that. With the advent of BTC halving coming up very close, okay, I think this is the link. In 498 days, almost 500 days to the next BTC halving. The next BTC halving is, what is going to happen is that the Bitcoin block reward will decrease from 6.25, which is the current rate that's paying out to miners on the Bitcoin network, to 3.12. And when this happens, definitely the value of Bitcoin has to increase so that the miners are going to continue running the ecosystem successfully as they do. So in 498 days, which is over a year plus, a year plus, probably around April 2024, but we have to get ready in 2023. So projects that are smart, crypto projects that are smart, will start getting ready in 2023, preparing for the next halving. And once the next halving happens, the bull market will carry you. The bull market will carry a lot of projects to stand firm based on what product they are building. So smart CEOs, smart projects would be able to capitalize on the fact that BTC halving is imminent, for them to do some project that can lead launch some product that can lead their project to another level. So that is just that, and I'm going to open some charts here that we might want to look at. I need to open that. I was looking at MX token. This cryptocurrency has tended to retain its value more than many other cryptocurrencies. So I'll open that chart here on TradingView so that everybody can see it. MX on crypto assets. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So please make sure you sign up. So today the topic is about things you need to learn to become a successful crypto trader. I'm going to list out 6 things that we need to learn to become a successful crypto trader, and how we can apply these 6 things to become a successful crypto trader. I may not be able to teach you guys in full details, but the tips and analysis that I'll give to you is going to be very, very useful. So please take note of everything I am saying now. If you need to get a piece of paper, no problem, you can do that. Get a piece of paper, write down some of the important points that I'm going to give to you, and we'll look at it in the market together. So in order to become a successful trader, you need to have a good mindset, the mindset that you're having, or should I say the psychology, needs to change. So let me list out the 6 important things now. You need to learn how to do your fundamental analysis. That's the first thing you need to learn to become a successful crypto trader. You need to learn how to become a fundamental analyst, a good fundamental analyst. The second thing there is you need to learn how to do technical analysis. The third thing there is you need to learn how to have great patience and control your greed. Having great patience and control your greed or emotions is very important. Then number 4 is portfolio management. Being able to manage your portfolio. I'm going to break down in details all these points that I'm listing out now. Being able to manage your portfolio very well. Another one is risk management. And the last one there, which I have on my list, is having a great trading psychology. So I'm going to explain these 6 key factors that if you develop on very efficiently, you're going to become a very good and successful cryptocurrency trader. Now, cryptocurrency trading is open for everybody. It doesn't choose your skill, doesn't choose your race, it doesn't choose wherever you are. As far as you have the basic needs and the basic understanding of the cryptocurrency market, then you can trade. You are free to trade. So trading is basically just exchanging one cryptocurrency to another. That's what cryptocurrency trading is. And to acquire a cryptocurrency, if you don't have a cryptocurrency, you can buy directly from an exchange using your card. MEXC has that feature where you can click here, buy crypto with your debit card, or use bank transfer and other forms here, even including peer-to-peer trading. So that helps you onboard your fiat currency in exchange for another cryptocurrency. And when you have a cryptocurrency like USDT or Bitcoin, the base currencies, you will be able to start trading very well on MEXC. So please make sure you sign up. It's very important. The affiliate link is over there. So sign up. I think I need to take you guys back to on how to sign up before I start breaking down the things you need to do to become a successful crypto trader. So I have my sign up link somewhere around here. My sign up link is just on the live stream, so I'm going to take you to another browser where I will sign up. Okay, so this is it. Let me try and get that link. So please sign up. I need you guys to sign up with my affiliate link. It's very necessary. I'm trying to get that link. Please hold on a little bit. I've gotten the link now, so I'm just going to sign up, show you how to sign up on MEXC. It's very, very simple. You just need to fill in some of the basic details. It's supposed to take me to the sign up page. I think I missed something here. So this is the affiliate link that you need to use to sign up. Please let me share that once again to you guys on the live chat. So take note of this affiliate link which I pinned here. That is what you need to sign up on MEXC. So now when I am on MEXC, when I click the sign up, I can either sign up with my mobile number or my email. With my mobile number, I'm in Nigeria, so I can use my Nigerian mobile number. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can use any other mobile number that you want to use aside a Nigerian mobile number. But email is quite good, so in this case I'm going to use my email. So this is what I'm going to do. Steambits. Okay, I use my other email. This is just one of my random emails that I decided to use to do this for you to see. So you are just going to choose your strong password and see, choose a strong password. Make sure the password is only for you. Do not allow other people to have your password, because if somebody have access to your password, you just need to have access to your two-factor authentication, and the person will be able to withdraw your money. So let me create a password that will be useful. Make sure your password strength is strong. You need to have at least one uppercase, one lowercase. Yeah, uppercase, lowercase, number. You need to include numerics also. You can include strong characters, just to make sure you have a very strong password that somebody cannot easily crack. So when you do that, you sign up. Make sure my affiliate link is showing up, 172WK. Make sure you use that and complete your verification to show that you are not a robot. So in my case, the first in the same order, and this. Okay, I think I'm in. So verification is successful. So I think I'll get an email. I'll get an email here on my browser. So I need to go to my email to check my inbox for the authentication code that was sent in from MEXC. So here is our authentication code. So once I verify with this authentication code, I'll be able to, I am successfully registered on MEXC, which is a very good thing right now. So once I am registered, the next thing I need to do as a new user is to deposit. I think there is a deposit bonus for new users, and if I start trading on time for ETF, I can share. Let me show you that. I think the event is over, but there is ETF Trading Legend, where you trade at least $100 straight with volume worth at least $100 to participate in a, what do we call it, to participate in a giveaway that is always given to new users, and that offer is valid only for new users. So if you are still a new user, you just signed up with my affiliate link, you are very free to join this. You can also claim a $1,000 bonus. I think this is for new users. So there's a lot of things for you to participate. For those who are okay, I need to complete my KYC verification to be able to participate in other things that are happening here. Okay, so I'll just do that. There are different bonuses here. Deposit 300 USDT to claim this. Oh, these are just beginner tax. So deposit, I think I need to share this link again to you guys. Deposit $2,000 and you can get 20 USDT. Or depending on the amount you deposit, you can, and your 7-day cumulative futures trading volume should be over 500,000 to participate and get 80 USDT. Invite new users. When you invite other new users and they complete their KYC, there are a lot of things you can get here. So for those that are both old users, normal users, and new beginner tax, you can participate in this tax. So let me just share the link here. After sign up, share this link, make use of that link. So now that I am signed up, I can log in, deposit. Just clicking deposit here, I'll choose the assets. I mostly have USDT, so I can use USDT. You can use USD coin. You can use any cryptocurrency that is listed on MEXC, because MEXC has thousands of cryptocurrencies or hundreds of cryptocurrencies listed here. So you are not limited to options to list here. Convert it to USDT or Bitcoin, and then you are able to use it to trade. So all you just have to do is clearly written out here. You just select the token and copy the wallet address that you have to send to. Withdraw to the wallet address that was provided by MEXC. If you send it to another wallet address, you could lose your funds. So when the transfer has been confirmed, wait for the blockchain that you are using to confirm. Ethereum blockchain is slow. Take note of that. It might take a while before it comes into your wallet. But Binance Smart Chain, Tron blockchain, and many others are faster. So once the deposit is successful, after the blockchain network has confirmed your transfer, MEXC will transfer the asset to your wallet balance. So once that is done, you would come here. You see it on your wallet balance. This spot account, you see it over here. If you deposited USDT, you see it here. And if you do hide small balances, it will hide any balance that you don't have. Currently I don't have any money on this wallet because I just created this account. So you see it in my next live stream. You are going to see some money in this account because I will be depositing some money. So that is it. And so now that you know how to create an account, check out other events that are happening on the ETF side, the future side. You are free to trade anything on MEXC. There are a lot of events happening on the future side, so you can trade any of them. You can also trade the spot market, leverage it, whatever you want to trade. There are a lot of things happening on MEXC which you don't want to miss out. So always make sure you go through the exchange, check out for events. If you come here to this market section, you'll see a bunch of events. And if you're on mobile view, yes, if you're on mobile view, you'll see, even on the desktop view, you can still see some announcements that's lucky. There's a lucky draw with a prize pool of 100 BTC, 0 mecha fee going on. And this is trading competition where you trade MAFA and share. There's a 10,000, predict the winner and share 10,000. This is cool. So you just have to fulfill the terms and conditions of whatever is needed. And if you're interested in joining the MEXC Angel program, you can do it here. Joining the Angel program, futures leverage challenge. 200x. What's that? AVAX AX near BNB. Okay, wow. So a lot of things are happening, especially on the future side. So don't miss out. Try it out. I've not seen any exchange that have all these events for futures trading on MEXC. So make sure you try out all these events. Futures weekly events. Oh wow, there's weekly events giving out $20,000 to futures traders. So there's a bunch of things that can make you enjoy your time trading on MEXC, and you keep on trading and trading. Futures leaderboard, make up in the leaderboard, and then you share this bonus pool. Wow, MEXC is giving out a whole lot. So experience futures trading with 21x to 200x leverage, and you share this bonus weekly. All these offers to traders, this is pretty much very awesome. If what's there to lose if you do your analysis very well? If you do the things that I teach you to do today to become a successful trader, there's nothing to lose when you apply when you join all these events that are happening on MEXC. So okay, actually there is something to lose. You can't stay on crypto without losing money, but the main thing is that you have a higher chance to win than you lose. So participate in all these events that are happening on MEXC. If you haven't deposited, if you have an account on MEXC and you haven't deposited, please make sure you deposit at least $10 to $100 to participate. But I will recommend depositing at least $100 if you have that. So if you don't have, you can deposit. If you have thousands of dollars, you are very free to deposit and start your trading on MEXC. So now that you know all these campaigns that happen, try and participate in one of them. I'm going to start participating in some of them. And let me go back to my main wallet, which is over here. So I'll continue with what I was saying. I said that there are 6 things you need to do. Although it can be more than this. Actually, it will definitely be more than this. But there are 6 things you need to do in order to become a successful cryptocurrency trader. There are a lot of things you need to do. So to list it again, because I'm very sure some other people just joined me. To list it again, please take note of this. Things you need to do to learn to become a successful crypto trader. If you just joined us, please take note of this. You need to learn your fundamental analysis. You need to learn your technical analysis. You need to learn how to have patience and control of greed. You need to learn portfolio management. You need to learn risk management. You also need to learn to have a great trading psychology. So please take notes of all these things. They are very, very important. And share the link so that we can have more viewers joining us. We have quite a number of viewers here. Share the link. Let's have more people joining us. So to break down everything I've said, now the number one thing there was fundamental analysis. How do you do fundamental analysis, and what is even fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is you basically doing research on news that is happening in the ecosystem. Research on news, facts, news and good facts that can bring liquidity to a certain crypto asset that you are interested in trading. So if you are interested in trading Reef, if you're interested in trading Aptos, you are interested in trading Landward, any of them, Sweat Economy, look for fundamental news on all these cryptocurrency assets. Look for the fundamental news on like maybe Sweat wants to launch the mainnet. Look for fundamental news, and when you find this fundamental news, you will be able to make a decision whether you are going to join or not. So there's a website which I use, CoinMarketCal. I've shown that in my last live stream before. MarketCal. The other website, but I love this one. So CoinMarketCal, just remove L from cap, the normal website you know already. You will be able to see it. So now I'm interested on cryptocurrencies listed on MEXC exchange. So I want to see the upcoming events that are upcoming. So that's why I'm here. Upcoming events from 13th. Today is 13th. From today till 8th of 1st of August 2024. That's quite a long period. Upcoming events within that range. I can actually shorten the time. Let's see upcoming events from now till January 31st 2023. Okay, let's start with today is 13th of December 2022. So I'll do that till January 31st. So I've calibrated my dates, keywords. I'm actually interested in all the events, and I want to check out for only coins that are listed on Binance and MEXC. I think MEXC has listed almost all the coins that are listed on Binance, so I can combine both of them. So Binance and MEXC. And categories. Now on categories, like I said, when doing fundamental analysis, you are doing analysis on crypto assets that can, or crypto events that can bring liquidity to a crypto asset. Now if they update the members of the team, imagine a project has Vitalik Buterin or CZ Binance joining them as one of their advisors or team member. That team updates, it shows that quality people or people of value are joining, so that can actually bring liquidity to that cryptocurrency. So that's some of the things you need to check out. Which profile is joining profile? Have they managed big venture capitals before and all that stuff? Sorry, have they managed a company with big funding and all that? So if you have that track record, you can join. You can take a position based on the team update. If they want to do an airdrop or snapshot, these are market making events that can bring liquidity. They want to do an AMA, depending on the quality of the AMA, it can also bring liquidity. Partnership, other things, white paper update their white paper and development coming up. Or they want to do a fork or swap. They want to improve on their branding, like MEXC is changing their branding from green to blue. That is actually something that can help the ecosystem. So if you take it, like I said, the cryptocurrencies are their bottom price now. If you take a position now on MX token, you could have your chance in the bull market when BTC halving is close or after. So branding, meetup, conference, exchange listing. When I say exchange now, exchange listing. For example, there is a cryptocurrency trading on MEXC and it's not listed on Binance yet. Example is Sweat Economy. So imagine Sweat Economy wants to list on Binance. We know that Binance has a quite a large volume of trading activities going on there, and MEXC is following up with Binance closely. So imagine Binance wants to list Sweatcoin. That liquidity that Binance wants to bring into Sweatcoin will make a lot of people purchase more of their cryptocurrency. So all those things can affect. Update on tokenomics. Currently, Sweat Economy has a very poor tokenomics. The fact that they have over 22 billion sweats, and that doesn't look really good. And then what is circulating is not quite good. So all those events. So I'm going to put everything like this, and then I'll search. Once I sort all these things, sort by last added. Yes, sort by last added, like the recent one that just came. You know, if you are among the early people to access this information, you have an advantage. So if you sort it by last added and then you search, so once I do that, I can see that this coin Boson is listed on our MEXC. Boson wants to do an AMA. Who do they want to do the AMA? Boson co-founder and CEO Jay Bannon on Binance US Twitter Space. So that could expose them to Binance US. So you can click here to check out the source of that information if it is accurate. If it is being announced by Binance US, of course it's announced by Binance US, and actually retweeted that. So that could be a good thing. That could be a good thing for Boson. So let's check if Boson is on MEXC. Remember, I combined two exchanges, MEXC and yeah, Boson is here. So if it is actually a good thing, if you do your technical analysis and you do all those things and you see that it's a good time for you to buy Boson, like currently is ranging, so it's ranging between this region. So if you want to buy within this range, you can buy from the range of what's the support there. Support region is over here, 0.22 and to around 0.2, okay, 0.2210 to around 0.2250. So there could be a breakout around that region after the AMA or even during the AMA. So we are not so sure what I can actually move it. If the AMA doesn't have big people attending it and market makers or people that can bring in volume, and then possibly nothing may really happen. This was just added today on our 13th of December. So you can report a mistake or whatever. There's another one here, Volts. There's another one, Vite. This one wants to do a token bond. Token bond is actually a very interesting event that used to make the price of cryptocurrency go up. So if these guys want to do token bond, you can take out that and join the event. HFAM AMA here, Lunar Crush here in review, AMA meetup, community call. Somehow you can filter out if you're not really interested in AMA, because from the look of things I'm not interested in AMAs. So you can filter out. Let's go back and filter and see, touch only the ones that like airdrop, snapshot, partnership. I don't think I will go for that. Fork or swap, white paper updates, real stuff that can move market, exchange listing, new release, integration, staking, farming, roadmap updates, tokenomics. So those 9 factors is what I'm interested in right now. So I can search that again. So these guys wanted to do a token bond. WeMix. Let's check out WeMix. WeMix WeMix. What a name. WeMix. Wow. This is on MEXC. So what's going on WeMix? Let's open that. Okay. So you need to do your analysis properly before you can go in to buy WeMix. WeMix is looking good even in this bear market. I think they seem to be trending on. They seem to be on an uptrend, and they want to do a token bond. That's quite a very good event for such a crypto asset who has tend to. Okay, this is a 15-hour chart. They're doing good, even upon the fact that it came down all the way on the November. This was in November, 24th of November 2022. What a hit. I think that was around the period of FTX was messing with everybody in the market, and they seem to be ranging towards this resistance region once again, and they want to break out. So cool stuff. That's the 1 hour chart. Let's check the 1 day chart. 1 day chart, they have been on a downtrend, and this doesn't really look good for this coin, which has hit around $23 in the last bull market, and it's dumped so bad. So I think they really need to dump. They really need to do deboning. It's very necessary. So 2 people has already voted that this is real. Okay, 1 person voted real, 1 person voted fake. So let's see. Let's see the source if it is genuine. Yeah, it's coming from WeMix network. They want to do their token bond. That's awesome. That's awesome. So Holochain beta release candidates, chain wallet release, a lot of events for every cryptocurrency asset. And EOS, I've been looking at EOS quite a lot. and I think I'm going to buy EOS. They have a lot of events coming up on 30th, 31st, a lot of events. So I will not be happy if I don't buy EOS before the 31st of December, because I think they are going to have a lot of cool stuff coming up, and those cool activities is definitely going to move the price of EOS. So EOS is actually one of the coins I want to buy in this market. And let's look at EOS. So if you are interested in trading EOS on the spot market, you can buy with your USDT, with BTC or USDC, because those are the pairs is listed. In the margin market is listed 10x with USDT, and the ETF market we have EOS 3L, 3S, 4L, 4S, even 5S and 5L. I don't think there's EOS 2L at the moment. So anyone that you are interested in trading, so let's say I'm interested in futures. Yes, there's futures here, EOS USDT perpetual, so I can go that. So on the futures market we have the coin market and the coin market and the USD market. A lot of reminders. Okay, let me switch the chart to a 4-hour chart. Some traders will recommend 4-hour chart, some traders will recommend 1-hour chart. So whichever chart gives you the information you need. Me, I personally like using the 1-day chart, because that helps me filter most of this noise in the market, and then I trade. So depending on the one you want to choose, you can go on with that. So let's look at fundamental analysis. Another way to do fundamental analysis, because we are still in the factors, the things you need to learn to become a successful trader, is come on to Google, search for crypto news. When you search for crypto news, check out crypto news, especially for the cryptocurrency that you're interested in. For a while now, we still have Sam Bankman Fried. What a name. Sam Bankman Fried. I used to call him Fried Man. Sam Friedman Bankman. So okay, this guy has still been trending since this event in November. He caused a crash and things are, even the coin has not finished trending. All these bad guys are being uprooted in the ecosystem before they make the market crash. Look at this design on SaceBF, tries to destabilize crypto market to save FTX. Wow, that's from Cointelegraph. Sam Bankman arrested in Bahamas after US prosecutors filed charges. I knew this guy will never go scot-free. So there are some interesting news here. You see interesting news that can affect Bitcoin, interesting news that can affect Ethereum. That is actually very important. You need to read those interesting news that can affect Bitcoin or Ethereum. If not, if the market affects Bitcoin and Ethereum, definitely a lot of altcoins will suffer, because Bitcoin and Ethereum influences that market a whole lot. So okay, let's look at other things. There's not quite a lot of interesting news on Google, so that's why I just come here. Another place to search for news is on Twitter. If you have subscribed to the cryptocurrency community, so you can check out BUSD is trending in business and finance. Okay, that's quite interesting. What's going on with Binance? Oh, you might want to check that out. So the second thing on my list is learning how to do technical analysis. Sorry, I'm not going to teach how to do technical analysis here, because it's actually a long process to learn how to do technical analysis. But one of the technical analysis tool which I would recommend for you to use is TradingView. So you might want to look at TradingView, which is a very efficient technical analysis tool out there in the market. You can see how it looks. You can switch from day mode to night mode. TradingView integrates stocks, stock market, crypto market, indices, whatever market here, and this is what most exchanges import to use on their platform. So as a trader, you might want to look at TradingView, learn how to do technical analysis. I think there are some courses, free courses on how to do technical analysis on YouTube, and they can help, although they may not be very efficient like learning from an expert, but it can still help. So feel free to look at that, improve your technical analysis skill, and come back. Then one of the things that I don't need to teach you how to do is having patience and the ability to control your greed. You need to just listen to what I say. Now, if you are trading cryptocurrency, there's a very high tendency, especially when you are making profit, for your greed to come out. There's a very high tendency for your greed to come out. So when these greed start coming out, what you are supposed to do is have the ability to control your greed. Do not allow the fact that you are making so much profit and you feel you may not make profit in the next market to influence your ability to take profit. So if you plan your trade, because to be able to control your greed, you need to plan your trade. And if things are not really going according to your plan, like your positive plan, you make sure you have the patience to wait. Now let me tell you how you can apply your patience. For example, I decided to buy EOS now that it is at 0.9798. So if I buy EOS now, maybe I plan to sell my EOS as a trader when the price is at $1.5. So that is the fact that I'm targeting 50%. Now I buy EOS and I should of course have a stop loss if I cannot afford to lose that money that I'm using to trade. So if I have a stop loss around 0.8 or 0.75, let's say we have a stop loss at 0.75. So when the market started ranging, it wasn't going up to 1.5 and it was going down to 0.9, 0.8, but it doesn't hit my stop loss, so I am not worried. So as somebody who is able to control patience, you should be able to wait for, because if you have done the correct analysis, the market could actually change trend and move towards the direction. So if it hits your stop loss, you can retry again, but if it doesn't hit your stop loss, be patient. There's a reason why stop loss is there. Stop loss has its advantage and disadvantage, but one of the advantages is that it will help you protect funds that you cannot afford to lose. And when the market, if I can stay patient, sometimes you can stay on a trade that you plan to stay for a few days. You are staying on the trade for like 1 week, so you can stay on that trade till 1 week later when the market decides to change towards your favor and hit the 1.5 target. And now when the market changes trend, it seems as if the market will not stop trending upwards. It feels as if it's going to hit $2, $3. Now that is where your greed will come out. So your greed can be affected, and then you want to stay longer in the market. So you see it hitting your 1.5 target price, which you are predicted, so that you can stay in the market. You can take out your profit on that. But because of the fact that greed has affected you, you keep on staying. You want it to hit $2, you want it to hit $3, and maybe it hits $2 and you are not still out. Then what happened to FTX happens in the market, or whatever happens happens in such a way that all cryptocurrency assets starts to depreciate in value based on the fact that fear of food has entered into the market, and that dumps your cryptocurrency assets down. The profit that you had will disappear, and you see yourself again back into the loss because you were not able to control your greed at that point to take your profit. So this happens. This does not mean that when it goes to $2 it cannot reach $3, $4. It can reach, but when you are trading, the psychology you need to have is take profit when you need to take profits, cut losses when you need to cut losses, protect your capital and take profit. Always protect your capital and take profit. That is very, very important. So another one is portfolio management. That's the next thing, portfolio management, the fourth thing on my list. So to manage your portfolio efficiently, you shouldn't have so many cryptocurrencies on your exchange trading account. If you have so many trading currencies, one will be dragging you forward, one will be dragging you backward, and you might not end up going anywhere. I would recommend a maximum of 3 crypto assets in your trading account, except you are just holding that cryptocurrency there, and it's not advisable to hold on an exchange. Please withdraw to a wallet. I recommend that. We have seen what happened to FTX if you are not new to this ecosystem. So please withdraw to a wallet and hold over there. Hold in your wallet, and then use the one you have decided to use to trade on your exchange to trade, and then never use any amount that you cannot afford to lose to trade. Like you might afford to lose $1,000. Not like anybody enjoyed losses. You might afford to lose $1,000 or $2,000. So you can deposit $1,000 or $2,000 into your exchange trading account, and then not like you really want to lose that money. That's why you are using stop loss, of course, to protect that capital. So use that stop loss to protect the capital and avoid losing so much. So if you cannot, it may be money that you can afford to lose out of that $1,000 is like $100, and then you will not really feel the pain. Then your stop loss should always be within that region. Or stop loss, if you are using the whole $1,000 to trade, your stop loss should be when you have lost up to $100 or $200, and then you can use the remaining capital, $800, to retry again. So learn how to control your greed and manage your portfolio. Do not have so many cryptocurrency assets. Don't buy like 7 cryptocurrency assets at once, put it in your wallet, expect to make profit if you are trading spots. Then if you are trading futures, I see you open like 7, 8, 9 positions. Come on, you lose money, because some will be performing well, some may not be performing well. Some traders try that stuff, it works for them, but that's one of the most high risks that you can try, because you can actually be making another $1,000 on a certain trade, and you are losing $2,000 on this one, making $500 on this one. Like, it may not even be going anywhere. So that's the disadvantage. It may not really be going anywhere, and to make all the money in one day. The market never ends. The crypto market is open 24/7, so you have an opportunity to make money as much as you want to make. So portfolio management is actually very, 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 very important. And risk management is another thing that you need to do. Risk management involves a portfolio management, ability to control read, having a good psychology, all these things that I mentioned, doing the right analysis. There is no perfect analysis actually, but at least try to have most part of it, at least 70 to 80% of it on a good side. So having all these things, being able to manage risks, trading with what you can afford to lose, using stop loss where necessary, and all that factors are what you need to do to manage your risks properly. So manage risks. Don't invest money you cannot. Don't go and use your house rent, please. I beg you in the name of God. As a Christian, I beg you in the name of God. So please don't go and use money that you cannot afford to lose to trade cryptocurrency, because you feel the pain. It could cause some psychological damage to you when you lose this money. I personally have lost money as a trader in my early days, but now that I have experienced, I worked on my mistakes, I don't lose money anyhow again in this crypto market, especially applying most of my strategies that I'm using to trade. So have a great trading psychology. Understand that you can lose money in this market, and also understand that you can make so much money in this market. So this understanding will make you have less of the emotions, because when you are making money, you are going to be emotional. When you are losing money, you are going to be emotional. The difference is that it will be positive or negative emotions. So when you are losing money, do not allow your emotions, that is how to build your psychology, do not allow your emotions to influence your action when you are losing money. And then when you are making money, do not allow your emotions to also influence your action. Now let me state a scenario. Like, if you are losing money on a certain trade, your emotions will be down. You'll be angry. You could trade aggressively, like you want to trade again so that you recover your loss. No, you can overtrade. When you are making money, you can trade and overtrade, and overtrading will bring out your greed. When you trade too much, you feel like you can make this money, to bring out your greed. So don't overtrade. It is very important. Don't overtrade. Don't allow your emotions to push you into action when you are trading, when you are losing money. And then use your stop loss if you cannot afford to lose that money. So control your emotions. Have a psychology that this money that you are putting into this trade can be lost. Yes, I understand that, and don't be afraid. Though, because fear factor is actually one of the factors that can affect you so badly in this market. Don't be afraid. Understand that you can lose this money, and then you try it again if you lose. So have the mindset to understand that you can also make so much money. Maybe you use the $1,000 to trade with the 100x leverage, which is very risky. Assuming the odds goes in your favor, with the 100x leverage and a $1,000 margin, you're going to make so much money. You can make even as much as $10,000 in one trade. So imagine you didn't expect to make that amount of money, and then you're making $10,000 in one trade. You feel so excited. The excitement can make you so happy. Not having to do the right analysis for your next trade again, because you are so happy. And that's why you shouldn't overtrade. You should take a break. Or because of the fact that you're making $10,000 with $1,000, you feel, oh, I can do this. Like, man, you want to put in so much money. You get what I mean? Like, you want to make more. You feel that the markets can do even 20,000, 30,000 for you, and then you might end up losing that 10,000 that you're making. And because maybe you use $1,000 to make $10,000. You feel your next trade, you shouldn't be trading with $1,000 again. You now should be trading with 9,000 or 7,000, which is what you cannot afford to lose, and that is wrong. Always trade with what you can afford to lose. If it still sticks with that 1,000, stick with the 1,000. So when you are able to lose the 7,000, 8,000 that you want to use, then you can promote yourself to that level. That's when you have accumulated profits and increased your balance, your net worth in trading, and then you can try that. So please take note of that. Do not mess with this market, because this market can mess with your entire savings. Never use your savings to trade, except it's your trading capital. You were saving it for a trading capital. Never use savings that you are saving for school fees, your house rent, to trade. So please manage your risks, have your great psychology and all that. So I'm just going to list out those things that I mentioned once again, so that you might take note of it and play back this video at some point to listen to the explanations that I gave. So to become a successful crypto trader, you need to learn your fundamental analysis, you need to learn your technical analysis, you need to learn how to have patience and ability to control your greed, you need to learn portfolio management, you need to learn risk management, you need to learn to have a great trading psychology. And there are many more. I may not be able to mention all of them, but there are many more. I just decided to talk about these 6 on my live stream. So please do more research. It's actually one of the things learn better than what anybody teaches you. So take note of that. And I'll be giving away $100 today to those who stay active on this live stream. So if you are actively participating in the live stream, the chat section, please keep on doing that. You can drop some questions for me if you have any question. Please, I am open to answer some questions. Does anyone have a question for me? Drop your question in the live chat. I see a comment which says take profit and stop loss is key in trading. I agree with you. Stop loss is a lifesaver. Maximum trade I can enter is 4. Some say 3, some say 2 to 3. You are not wrong. Please don't ever open 10 positions for any reason. Don't ever open 10 positions. It's actually possible to use $10 to make $1,000 in 1 week trading futures. But you are going to do a lot of work, and you have the risk of losing your $10 very imminent. So please, when MEXC, those of you that win this giveaway today, please try and trade. Even if it is sports, even if it is futures, don't be scared. Try to trade. Make sure you trade with what you are given. Trade. There's no point withdrawing the balance to go. Trade it. Trade the ETF positions that is given to you. Convert. If you don't like ETF, convert it to USD, take it to futures. Try and trade. You guys need to trade so that we continue doing the live stream. Because if you are not trading, I will not be interested in doing giveaways again during the live stream. So somebody asked a question here: how can we stop over trading? You shouldn't be trading. If you're a day trader, you can trade every day, but you shouldn't be trading when your mind is not in the right condition to trade. Don't trade when your mind is not in the right condition to trade. Like maybe somebody made you angry, you're emotionally down, you just finished exams and you are not happy, or you finished school, you are very happy today. When your emotions are at extreme positions, you shouldn't be trading. So, and this is something that can happen to anybody at any day, at any time. So when your emotions are under influence, you shouldn't be trading. And also, don't overtrade. Like when you are making money, you should take a break. Try to take a break. Don't overtrade. Take a break at any time that you want to take a break. and then continue. If you feel that you have been so saturated with this market and it's all over your head, your sentiments could start to arise, and that could lead you to make bad decisions that can help you lose money. So don't overtrade for any reason. Don't overtrade for any reason. Our next class will talk about futures trading, so that you differentiate between the isolated and cross margin. If you haven't signed up on MEXC, please use my affiliate link to sign up. The affiliate link is pinned here. Well, I've seen another question. I should throw more light on how to use support and resistance in technical analysis. Well, those are the basics of technical analysis, and this wasn't a technical analysis class. It wasn't a technical analysis class, so I'm sorry, I'm not going to do that on this particular live stream. I'll do it on another one. If I have a portfolio of $100, what's the percentage of my portfolio? What percentage of my portfolio is advised to use while trading? Okay, well, if you have a portfolio of $100, it depends on the trading you want to do. There are different types of trading. We have the spot trading, which is less risky. You have ETF trading, which is a little bit more risky. Leveraged ETF, actually. You also have the futures trading. Futures trading is highly risky. Now, if you want to trade with your entire portfolio in futures trading and you don't want to lose everything, you can decide to use the isolated margin, or if you want to use everything, you can use the cross margin. Now, if I want to advise you on the sports trading section, I'll tell you use like 50% of that balance, because $100 is actually a very small amount. So use like 50% of that balance, which is 50, to participate in the trade, and have your backed up 50 USDT saved, not doing anything. And if your portfolio is bigger, like 1,000, you might want to use like 300 or 400. You don't use the exact 50%, and then you use the other one as your balance, like your backup balance. So you should always have your, should I say, your backup funds. No matter, don't use everything to trade. Have your backup funds, at least 50% of your total portfolio, waiting to take action when there is an opportunity. So always have backup funds. That is very necessary. So please, if you have signed up on MEXC, especially those of you who sign up with my affiliate links, deposit at least $10 and start trading. This trading is what it is actually what can keep you active in a bullish or bear market. Indicators, making use of indicators can be useful. If you are using indicators to trade, indicators can be useful, and it can also be less useful. So it depends on which indicators you are using, because there are a bunch of indicators out there. You look at this, there are a bunch of indicators. Okay, this is not trading view, but you can add indicators directly from here. Okay, there's some indicators here, so you can't use all of them. You can use maybe the basic indicators like Bollinger Bands, MACD. Indicators are useful, but some of these pro traders, they don't like using indicators. I personally only use support and resistance. If I even have to use extra indicator, maybe just my MACD. I use MACD when I'm on a one-day chart. It helps me see the overbought and oversold region. So that helps me know, okay, I should do this, I should do that. So you get what I mean. And some people are very confident with using a Fibonacci series or using Elliott waves. That's for their reason. They know why they should be using that. So I personally don't use Fibonacci series and Elliott waves. So whatever indicators work for you, just try and master it, learn properly about that indicator, and then use it. So thanks to all of you that has been active in this live stream. Thank you, everybody. So I'll see you during the next live stream. I've answered most of the questions that I'm supposed to answer. And if you're interested in learning more, feel free to send me a DM on Telegram. My username is with Empato. I'll use my account to drop that on Telegram. So you can send me a message on Telegram. I'll reply to you, and we are going to work it out together. So don't be afraid of trading. I know a lot of people have lost money, for some that have tried it before. but don't be scared. Trading is actually fun. You can make so much money trading, and you can also lose so much money during the trading if you do the wrong analysis. So this is the 1 day chart. I think I'm seeing morning star arising over here. If this forms a bullish engulfing, that's a good sign for EOS, and I would like to monitor this and check out for bullish engulfing. Once it is a bullish engulfing, I want to buy, because EOS have a lot of activities coming up at the end of the year. So which crypto are you guys buying? Tell me which crypto you are buying before we go, so that I can look at the cryptos. Which crypto do you want me to talk about during my next live stream? Which crypto would you like me to do an analysis on during the next live stream? Drop the names here. I'll be happy to check them out. So for the giveaway, I'll be giving out 10 dollars worth of ETA position to 10 people who has been active here on this live stream. Top 10. Okay, some people want to see Ocean, BNB, data. Okay, I'll look into this. BNB, I've seen 2 people mention BNB. I'll look into that. Trading is very interesting, actually. I'm still waiting for your cryptocurrency so that I take note of it. Next live stream, we're going to look into your cryptocurrency. We might have another live stream on Friday, so get ready for that. If we don't have it on Friday, we'll have it on Saturday. BTC. Who is talking about nice? Never had such a crypto. Nice. So I've gotten BNB was the first one. BNB. I've gotten BTC. I would like to look into BNB and BTC. Also EOS. Okay. BNB, BTC. A lot of people are still talking about BNB, so I think we'll focus more on BNB during the next live stream. PHA, VIDT. Are all these coins on MEXC? If they're actually on MEXC, please let's make an option for coins that are listed on MEXC, because I love to trade them on MEXC. I've not seen VIDT on MEXC. I have not seen PHA. Okay, there's PHA, OAX. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check out all these coins. Honestly, I'll check out everybody's options as far as it's listed on MEXC. You might not have it if it is not listed on MEXC, so I'll check it out and get ready for the next live stream on Friday. Please, I would like to see everybody who is here on this live stream, on the next live stream. Please make sure you join. Make sure you join the next live stream. So we have been doing this for the last 1 hour, and I would not like to extend it much longer than this, so that I don't get to bore you people. Take note of all the things I mentioned. If you joined us late, you can watch the live stream from the beginning to take note of some of the key things I talked about that can help somebody become a successful crypto trader. And I've also taken note of those who have been staying active. I would contact you on Telegram for your MEXC UID. So the giveaway is valid only for those who have an MEXC account. The affiliate link is here, so you can click here to register. And when you register, deposit, trade, and with the money that you are going to win, use it to trade. All this knowledge I'm giving you will be very useful if you can use the giveaway that you win to trade. So make sure you do that. I'll see you guys during my next live stream, and bye for now.